Hello, this is the demo for RidesShare, an application developed for the Mobile Application Development class at UNCC Spring Semester 2015. Upon launching RidesShare, users are given the choice to register or log in from the application homepage. Login and registration will be handled through the parse.com API. If a user clicks on the register button, they will be presented with a registration page that includes fields for their full name, email, and password. Only addresses with an @uncc.edu valid address will be allowed to register. During the registration process, the user will be prompted to enter their 10-digit mobile number, followed by their address. The address will be auto-populated using Google's auto-population autofill after the user types at least 3 characters. The user can then choose whether to register as a provider or a requester, and the fields will change depending on that. If they are a provider, they will have these additional fields for car model, number, and seating capacity. Then the user will fill out the rest of the profile as to what days of the week that they want to provide rides for. In this case, if it's a requester, they will be filling in the days that they are requesting rides. Start dates that can go from today forward using the date picker. Start time and an end time, also done with a time picker. And then these fields for the type of car and the seating capacity. Once that's saved and the profile is updated, the user has access to bookings and notifications. In this case, there are none just yet. Login is also handled by the parse API. What we're going to do is log in somebody that we have already created that is a requester, so that we can view their profile. You can make changes here and then you click save to update. What we're trying to do is to find some rides. So once you're here, you can click on the search tab to find available providers, which will be populated on the map and represented as green pins. The user will be represented by a red pin dropped in on their home location. To request a ride, the user will click on a green pin, which will display a pop-up that will be asking them as to whether they want to request this pool. And these are all the details: the start date, the days of the week, end date, and then the time, and then the seating capacity of the car. So having made that request, I did not actually note who that was to Steve McQueen. Okay, so now that is who we have logged in over here, so we should be able to look at the notifications, reload the notifications tab, and now we see here that the requester, who we had logged in, is Josh Fleming, and the status as pending. Additionally, the requester will have in their notification the same thing. The requester cannot perform any action on this request, but if you are the provider, then you can confirm or reject, and this will send a notification to the user that they have been, in this case, moved into the booking, and it'll be confirmed. So you can now check the booking tab, and this is the list of items that are rides that you have on your current slate. Either user can cancel these bookings by clicking on them, and you get the pop-up as to whether you want to cancel the booking. No in this case, but if you do, as the provider of the ride, want to cancel, that will also send a notification to the other person to let them know, and then the status has been changed, and the notification will show up here as well. So a requester can cancel bookings, the provider can cancel bookings, and in either case notifications are sent to the other party. So once the user is ready to log out, they can exit the app by just clicking log out or the back button. As far as getting out of the app entirely, you can hit the back button again, or the home button will take care of that. Hope you've enjoyed this demo. Thank you very much. If any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.